All too often we give metal snips too little regard and usually buy whatever's on sale at the nearest big box store. As you might suspect, there's a lot better snips in the world, but they don't cost that much more, and they come from Bessey. Whether you make a double pivot system that compounds the pressure that you apply to the handles. And that means you can do more cutting and thicker material with less effort. The blades of Bessey snips use subtle angles and precise fits to improve their performance. The use of high-quality steels and special Bessey heat treating techniques give these blades a harder edge, and that means they'll continue performing for a very long time. The Bessey snips have ergonomically designed handles that make them comfortable and easy to use. The larger snips with looped handles are made big enough so you can use them wearing work gloves. The D27 AHL aviation snips are designed for doing continuous straight or curved cuts. The jaws are drop forged and then specially case hardened to an HRC 68 rating. And that means you can work easier and leave a cleaner edge. The straight cutting D29 SSL and shape cutting D29 ASSL are available as a set. Both of these snips use the double pivot handle design that requires up to 25% less effort. These blades are also drop forged and heat treated to a 61 HRC level. The D16S and D16L offset snips feature the comfortable ergonomically designed handles and a double pivot design. The high-grade steel blades have been heat treated to an HRC of 59. The cutting edges of the blades have micro serrations that dramatically reduce the handle pressure needed to cut up to 18 gauge material. These snips are about as plain Jane as Bessey gets, but they're still considered the best in their category. The D22A long-nose multi-purpose snips have been designed for long continuous cuts or large diameter radiuses. The 2.5-inch long blades have been given a special heat treating that produces an HRC up to 59, and a double pivot system makes them easier to use. When you have long cuts to make, the D22A makes short work of them. Bessey Super Power snips are aptly named. The large loop-ended handles and a double pivot design require up to 50% less force than similar designs. And of course, the blades are designed to be very effective, especially heat-treated to be very durable. The large looped handles are designed to be easily used by a gloved hand. The handles are spring-loaded to open very easily, making long cuts less work. The D123S is a specially designed strap cutter. The red pad next to the cutting edge is designed to hold the loose end of the strap after it's cut so it can't spring up. When you cut a strap under a lot of pressure, just hold the handles together and they'll keep gripping that strap until you're ready to release it. The D24 SB Super Nibbler makes distortion-free cuts in up to 18 gauge common sheet steel and up to 22 gauge in high-quality steels. During the cut, the metal is supported on both sides so there's no distortion. And if you're cutting slots, this tool leaves a very clean, square end. If you use metal snips, there's a very good chance that one of Bessey's offerings can make your life easier and more accurate and do it at a very good price.